Hey, all you pioneers out there. This is Sean and our new adjunct instructor and medical consultant, John Porter, the newest addition to the Pioneer Survival Company family. So today, in our episode of Wild in the World, we're going to go deep into the bowels of Arkansas, and we are going to visit
the glory hole.
All right, so we just came from Ponco, Arkansas. We took 21 down here, and this is just a little side spot by the road you pull off. And we're going to be heading straight down this trail. It used to be an old Jeep trail, and getting ready to go see the glory hole. So follow along with us. All right, so we've been walking for about 5 minutes or so. As you saw in the video, we came in off the road, walked down at the sign, and descended down a small hill that actually used to be an old Jeep trail. So now we're just walking. It's a very wide dirt path. It's pretty well worn, so obviously a lot of people must use this trail. But I mean, the scenery is great. I'll just flip the camera around here so you guys can see what I'm looking at. All right, so we just kind of came around a gentle curve. So the path's still pretty wide. Just got a little bit of open rocks and stuff laying around that have to kind of dodge around, but nothing terrible. So Porter, man, how are you enjoying it so far?
Yeah, man, this is doing great. Nice to be out in the wilderness. Everything's beautiful outside. Got sunny skies. Everything is great.
Sunny skies? What sky are you looking at?
Look over there. Right over there. There's sun peeking through that cloud. It is beautiful.
So Porter, how you liking those new walking sticks?
Walking sticks? These, my friend, are not walking sticks. These are my fat sticks.
Fat sticks?
You don't know nothing about no fat sticks because you are not fat. Fat people, when they walk, they are not stable. Rocks like this make you fall down. And I'm telling you what, when a fat man falls down, it's hard to get back up. You can't pick my ass up off the ground. So I got my fat sticks, keep me stable, moving forward. Fat sticks, get you some.
All right, so it's about 28 minutes into the walk. We are just meandering along. We're not going fast at all, just enjoying the sights and making sure that capture interesting things on footage. We just crossed over our second stream, so we seem to be heading the right direction, past a few people. So far, this has been a pretty nice trail. It's about 50 degrees out here right now, and I'm just in a wool sweater, and I'm quite comfortable. All right, so we're over here going down this little rock outcropping. It's kind of nice. Everything's like little steps. So it's been a really pleasant walk. I don't know how pleasant it will be when we're heading back uphill. All right, so we're a little over a half hour, and we just got to the glory hole. John, how do you feel about the glory hole?
I feel like this is not what I saw when I Googled glory hole the other day. It was more like that tree hole over there. Oh no, dog's gonna fall down the glory hole.
So this is definitely a hot spot. A lot of people here visiting. Once you get to the top of the glory hole, you can actually hang a right here, and the trail goes down where you can get to the bottom of it. Hey guys. Well, I'm not gonna lie. I never thought I'd say this in a video, but I've just hiked underneath the glory hole. It's quite a sight. Quite a sight. All right, so this is it. This is the end of our glory hole trip for our first day of excursions here in Ozark National Forest here in Arkansas. John, did you have a good time?
Yeah, I do.
All right, man. We'll see you real soon.
All right.